The parabola has many different applications, and it's mainly because of the reflective property that it has. So a parabolic reflector is one of those applications, and it can be used in many lamps or lights. And if a light source is placed at the focus, the light will be reflected into a beam of parallel rays. So number 9 says a lamp with a parabolic reflector is shown in the figure. The bulb is placed at the focus, and the latus rectum has a length of 8 centimeters. Find an equation of the parabola, and you may use the origin to represent O. So a couple things with this parabola. We see that it opens to the right. So that means a couple things. One, we know that means that the y needs to be the square term. And two, the 8 needs to be positive. So it's going to be y minus 0, because I'm using the origin, squared is equal to 8 times x minus 0. And that will be our equation. If you don't want to write the zeros, you could write it like this: y squared is equal to 8x. Either way is okay.